reservation counter located in
So this is the room. My little bathroom's over there. It's a pretty big room. So it has a couch, these little stools, chair. I've got my luggage on the stand, TV, a little mini bar if you want to buy something, fridge. All right, babes, so I am in my room. This is the King Suite at the Anglers Kempton. Your girl is so tired, but I'm still gonna try to make it to dinner. I have 3 hours until my reservation. So we're gonna get dressed in a little bit. First, I'm gonna take like an hour nap. Baby, I'm tired. This is my bed, you know, bed. It's really cute. Except for I have a room with no view, which low-key kind of made me a little upset, because what? Why would you give me a suite with no view? But it's all good. So, little room. It has its own little walk-in, like, little closet. It's darkened now. It has a little mini bar. There's a microwave up top. My bags. But I made it safely. So I'm gonna charge my phone. Because, baby, the phone is trying to die. But we're here. Alright, babe, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do some brows real quick because I don't feel like wearing that much makeup. I'm literally just gonna, I think I'm just gonna get food from the restaurant here at the hotel. I am at the Anglers Kempton in Miami. My cruise leaves tomorrow, so I don't know. After all the traveling, I thought I was gonna be like up to do more, I guess you could say. But in reality, I really want to just chill because tomorrow's gonna be another hectic day, getting on the boat, embarkation, you know, all that stuff, because I've never been on a cruise, so everything is new. I've flown plenty times before, but it's just the anticipation. So I'm just using the Morphe brow pencil. This is their micro slim brow pencil to fill in my brows a little bit. I'm not really changing my natural shape. I'm just defining it. So, and I have to add a little arch because I overplucked when I was younger. I feel like most of us did. But I'm like, the room's cool, but I expected it to have a view. But you know how that goes with some of these hotels, is like, they'll, like, the room is nice. I'm not gonna say that, but it's literally like a brick wall in one side. There's a little view, not facing the ocean. But next time I'll just make sure I call and verify that I can get a because that would have been nice. But luckily my whole trip is on a boat and I have an ocean view room, so I'm not tripping too hard about it because it's only one night here. So I'm gonna get breakfast in the morning because they have breakfast, and then yeah, I'm gonna head to my check-in. It's at 11:30, so I'll probably leave here at 11. And go from there. But I'm gonna show you guys whatever I decide to eat now, because I don't know, after all the traveling my brain's like, girl, it's like fried. And I don't want to spend like a bunch of money now because I know I'm going to put money in cash on my sign-in sale stuff, and that's like the main thing right now. It's just getting to my cruise, baby. I really don't think I'm gonna spend that much money on the cruise either, though. I feel like everything costs so much now. I remember when I used to travel before, everything was so much cheaper. But I did a lot of traveling during COVID because, baby, that was literally like the time to travel, even though that sounds horrible, but it really was. I was getting like luxury hotels for like $100, and normally like $500 rooms, so it would be nice. I forgot to do some skincare, which I need to do because I've been on the airplane. So I'm gonna use this Dior Capture Total Intensive Lotion. Maybe it wants to come out the bottle. I took a quick shower, but you know, you can't trust all the people on the airplane, so I took a shower as soon as I got here. So I was trying to the trash can, get to the trash can. And I was gonna try to wear something cute, but baby girl, the way I feel right now after like hours of traveling, and I didn't sleep because I get like travel anxiety, like it's so annoying because it's stupid, because half the time nothing happens anyway, by God's graces. But I don't know, it's really weird. I get it every single time, and I can't sleep the night before because I'm like, okay, let me make sure I'm up in case they send me a message and they like cancel my flight or they change it, because that's what happened when I booked my flight, is it was changed at the, like, not at the last minute, it was changed like way far in advance, thankfully, but it's still annoying. So I got this stuff prepped. I got my Dior hand, it's like an everything lotion, just my hands, face, lips, but I'm trying to put everything back in where I take it out from, so I don't have to pack a lot in the morning. But we ain't going outside, actually, baby. And I smell good now. That was the idea. And then I have this gloss bomb from Fenty in hot chocolate, so I'm gonna just put a little glossy gloss on. Like that. Put this back. I might take this with me. No, I'm gonna put that back, because lo and behold, I leave some stuff somewhere. And then these brushes don't need to go in there, they can go back in a case. I'll go ahead and close this up for tomorrow morning. This is a Auto Bronze Self Tanning Gel. I'm gonna use that on the boat because this is another Dior thing, because I don't know what that's gonna do, and I don't want to get that on anything. And then we're gonna flat iron these baby hairs back here, because honey, after the spa yesterday with Vivian, I yeah, accidentally put my head down a little too far, and I was like, nope. We just, everything is straight right now. Let's not do that. So I'm gonna heat this up. Hopefully this works well. Pull out my little hairs, and I'm probably just gonna like curl them under to make it cute. But I'm really not doing anything else. I'm probably just gonna leave this little flinky bun because I do not care. And grab my jacket. I was gonna wear a jean jacket, but I'm gonna go ahead and just wear this over the top because I feel like this would look better than a jean jacket. Especially because, baby, I'm in Miami, so why not? Cute. comfortable. Nothing crazy. Booty looking good. I'm just kidding. Pow. So we're just gonna do this. Tie her up. Nice and neat. Pull her back. Pull her down. Boom. Just like that. I'll be having to pull these things up though, guys. Maybe a little down a little further than I would care for them to be, but that's the outfit. So let's heat it up pretty quick. So let's see how she does. Ooh, not bad. It's not even fully hot yet, I don't think. And it's just doing a wonderful job. Look at that. Can y'all see that? I hope you can. I just did a little curl. Just a little curl. Probably gonna do this one in the opposite direction. Oh yeah, that worked. Perfect. Didn't even take long. So we are gonna head out of Dodge, babes. Let's go. That's cool. Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Do you want to dining with us?
I might. I'm gonna walk around a little bit first and then I'll be right back.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. Thank you. Oh, I might. I want to walk around a little bit first.
Okay. But I let you know, I have two movies and live music. If you want to enjoy, I will tell you.
Oh, thank you.
We'll wait for you, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. take the goodies back to my room. This place is so cute. So cute. And then we are going to get some food. Boop boop boop. Boom pow.
Right.